Hi guys, how you doing again, and welcome to my channel. I'm Late Adopter. We do technical analysis here, watching charts go up and down. Today, or not today, this is the second video for the day. Now we're gonna do Uniswap. And why Uniswap? Yeah, because I got 2 new subscribers from my last Uniswap video, so I thought, why not? I can reward you with one more video and update on what's happening with Uniswap. Yeah. Okay, so let's check out Uniswap and what's happening. First, we're gonna look at the moving averages on Uniswap. Okay, the moving, and this is the 4-hourly chart, because the daily chart, like, you can't get anything from out of it. Right now, the moving averages, it just barely got up above the 10 moving average, and before it's above 20 moving average. Like, don't put too much into it, right? So we're gonna watch 4-hourly and just look at the current situations, what's happening with Uniswap on the technical side, right? Not on the fundamental side, but on the technical side. And right now it broke the 10 moving average, jumped all the way up and hit the 50 moving, that's the yellow line. Couldn't break it, went back down to 20, held the 20, and now it broke the 20 down on the side, but it held the 50. First, it couldn't break the 50, here it broke the 50, went down, then here used the 20 to climb above the 50, and then went back down to the 50 line, and now it get back above the 20 moving average. So a lot is happening, but thing is, right now, the bullish engulfing, this bar, bullish engulfing Japanese candlestick bar, it just got us above the 20 moving average on the 4-hourly chart, so that's quite bullish. And as long as we keep it above 20 and above 50 and stuff like that, next resistance on the moving averages will be at 3.7, and if we can get there and keep above there, it's gonna happen. But what I think, most likely, just looking at the averages, sitting this line and standing here waiting for the 50 line to pick up, and then use the 50 line to bounce off further up. And that's the moving averages. Like, right now it looks bullish, just like everything else. But you have to take into account that Bitcoin just got second CME futures gap. That's really bearish, and it got like big RSI divergence that it needs to correct. So I'm not quite bullish on the Bitcoin quite yet. And if this is gonna follow Bitcoin or not, I don't know. But right now, in the short term, this looks bullish to me. Especially now that we are above the 20 again on the 4-hourly, it looks like it's gonna hold it, and it might just continue climbing up, more up. So let's look at some trend lines. What can we draw here? What can we look? What can we see from this? First of all, we can draw this line over here. That's most obvious. And you can see how it's right now, it just bounced off the line at the same time, right? It did it, it went under it, but it just got right back above it, and that's really bullish. As long as it doesn't break the trending line, it means it's good. And as long as it does something like this, like, you know, it's all good. If it breaks it, close it above there and start closing above below the moving average as well, become a little bearish, you know, become a little bearish. That's the first line. The second line I want to show you is this one here. Is it like something like this? Yeah, you see, it was in the downtrend, and then it got above the downtrend and kept the last resistance trend line, right? It bounced off of it, and now it got the second line to bounce off of. So it's still bullish. Like, we were in the downtrend, then the downtrend stopped. It got above the last resistance that it had on the line, right? Bounced off of it, and now it's continuing up. So it's bullish, short-term bullish, still short-term bullish. Now the bearish. No, I got one more bullish indicator for you. One more bullish indicator. One more. Let me show you. We got some lines here, right? This is some kind of downtrend, right? Some kind of downtrend, but. And the RSI also was on the downtrend, but from over here, there's still like some kind of downtrend, but RSI picked up. So you got the RSI divergence on the 4-hourly, some kind of RSI divergence that will correct on the upside. So I'm bullish, even looking on the RSI. So all in all, very bullish. The bear scenario is not actually bears. There is no actually bear scenario. But if you go down for whatever reason, because I might be wrong, everybody might be wrong. Corona wave 2 might hit tomorrow. You know, Trump might get Corona again and not be immune against it. You know, how far down we're gonna go? Well, watch this line. At least this. There are two trend lines you should watch. Let's use the magnet on this. You should watch this line and this line over here. Yeah, something like this. Depends on how you draw it. Like, okay, let's put like some more right. So it can drop back to the same resistance it had, the same support it had over here, right? That's this line here. Or it can drop all the way here, and that's the even lower support line that it had. So it got two support lines. If it drops, it's gonna drop here or drop here. And if it drops even below there, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. But thereabout. So watch these lines. These are important lines for you to watch. It'd be nice if it doesn't break, it just go up. Also, if it does this all the way down here, watch this line over here. Watch this line over here. If it's going downwards and the RSI from here and here is going upwards, it means it's gonna turn on and go higher. But if the RSI is also on the downside, it might just continue further down. Okay, that's it. That's the video. Have fun. Subscribe, like the video, and all of that shebang. Have fun. GG.